guys, welcome back. If you don't know me, I am Honey Ostwal and I make videos on makeup, lifestyle and fun videos as well. So today we are going to do a Q&A and I did a Q&A on my Instagram and I got a lot of questions. So today we are going to do makeup with questions. So let's get started. So the first question says best skincare. There is no best. By the way, I'm using this Garnier ka cream, anti-wrinkle cream. There is no best skincare. I mean, every skin has a different. Like some people have pimples, some people have like glass skin, some people. Everybody has different skin. So I would say eat a lot of fruits, eat green vegetable, drink lots of water. Your skin will glow automatically from inside. Be happy. And automatically with these things your skin will really glow up a lot. But coming up to best skincare, I would say so what I do is to tighten my skin. I take ice cubes after every like week में thrice. I take ice cubes and मैं अपना फेस वॉश करती हूँ और उसके बाद अपने आइज को अपने पूरे फेस पे रोल करती हूँ. So that tightens your skin. Also another thing, remove all your facial hair from your face because facial hair makes you look kali, black because you have black hair. So remove your facial hair, I would say. And yeah, and then try different cream. This cream is really good. So you can try this cream out. Question. Before starting the next question, this is what I'm using. MAC Cosmetic ka Studio Fit cream powder foundation and I'm in the shade NC40. Yeah, and this is so good. I'm telling you guys, this is so good foundation. मैंने वो liquid वाला foundation use करना बंद कर दिया है जब से I started using this. So I'm just gonna put like not too much because I'm not a foundation kind of a girl. So I don't like to put too much foundation and I'm just going to blend this with my fingers first. So the next question is general relationship advice. How to get a guy to genuinely stay in love with you. Why would you force a guy to stay in love with you is my first question. Is my question to you guys. I would say, why would you even try or why would you even force him or why would you like want a person who doesn't want to be with you in our relationship? Why? Using this is Maybelline New York ka concealer, which is I'm in the shade 25 medium. That's it. How do I look? Funny, right? I like to blend this with my fingers first because fingers do a better job than brush or maybe like a sponge, I feel. So I really like to blend with my fingers first and then maybe like a blender. One thing I want to tell you is जितना आप किसी को दबा के रखोगे ना वो आपके फिंगर्स के बीच में से या इधर से it will come out and it will go. So हो सके तो don't वो चीज़ को दबाओ मत. Don't let pressurize a guy to be with you or a girl to be with you if he or she doesn't want to be with you. Okay. Now see, I would give you what I have gone through and my advice that I have never forced Hiren to be with me. Wherever he wants to go, he goes. He just informs me and I don't stop him. Like even now if we are married, I have never stopped him के भाई तू parties के लिए नहीं जा सकता है, तू इधर नहीं जा सकता है, तू उधर नहीं जा सकता है. You can go wherever you want. I'm not gonna stop you. You should know that you have to spend time with me. I can't force you to spend time with me. अगर तुमको spend करना है मेरे साथ time, तो you will remove time and you will make time for me. But if you don't want to spend time with me, you won't make time for me. So I'm just trying to say that उसको जहाँ जाना है जाने दो, जो करना है करो. अब ज़्यादा expectations मत रखो. don't be too much attached with any guy. I would say for me it was like since we started dating, I'm like chal bro, ये एक महीना भी नहीं चलने वाला है relationship, it's gonna like get over really soon. But the relationship worked out for 6 months and I'm like अरे यार चल गया 6 महीना, but I'm very 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 sure that this is not gonna last more than a year. And मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्टेशंस नहीं रखी थी, मैंने अपने आप को ज़्यादा अटैच नहीं होना दिया. ऑल्दो आई डिड all the efforts that a girl should do for her guy. I used to buy him gifts, I used to make him feel special, I used to do everything. I used to talk when he was free, and if I was busy, of course, we used to not talk. But whenever we had time, we used to talk, we used to meet. And yeah, I mean, I never forced him. And then 1 saal chala gaya, 2 saal chala gaya, and like that years went on. And I never thought that I would marry this guy. I never thought, because I was like, bro, शादी तक तो चलने नहीं वाला है, जितना चल रहा है चला लेते हैं, and then let's see, बाद में का बाद में देखेंगे. But चल गया. So what I'm trying to say is, see, when your parents also, जब वो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा दबा के रखते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा, you know, no, you cannot go out of the house after 7 p.m. You cannot do this, you cannot do that. You will do that only thing. You would want to stay out after 7 only. You would want to, if your mom says, well, like, you're not going to keep any boyfriends, you should not have any boyfriends, you will definitely have a boyfriend. मतलब what I'm just trying to say is, जितना आप उनको रोकोगे वो लोग वही चीज करना चाहेंगे. So stop forcing them is the only thing I would say. Stop giving too much attention to that person and just let them go. ठीक है, तुमको जाना है जाओ. Even after marriage, I would say, like, if that person is like, okay, wait, I want to go for a boys night out, or maybe I'm going for a party and I'll come home by 2-3 p.m. Okay, cool. Till the time it's not affecting me, I don't have any issue. Like, go. I would say go, because if you meet new people, you would definitely change. You will have like a nice change of mind. So yeah, that's one thing I would say, that you cannot force anybody, and do not keep too much feelings for anybody, is what I learned till now, till so many years of me growing up. I learned this now, that do not keep any attachments with anybody, not too much, and don't force any guy. तुम्हारे साथ रहना होगा, he will stay with you. If he have to stay with you, he will definitely stay with you. And if he doesn't want to, he is not going to stay. So don't force. I have these few things which I definitely want to try. It's from Swiss Beauty, this color kajal, and Swiss Beauty pink color kajal. I want to try this, so maybe we'll create a look somewhere around this. Next, I'm using this Color Bar ka this palette made for magic. Look at these colors. These colors are so pretty. Look at this. It's so, look at this shimmer. So pretty. I really love these colors. Doing this for the base color first. I'm not that great in makeup, but I do good makeup, is what I know. Like, of course, there are like really amazing people who do like sharp cuts and all that. भाई वो सब तो मेरे को नहीं आता है, to be honest. But let me show you this duo color that you see. The palette is good, to be honest. Look at this. It's nice. It's pink and golden, guys. See, pink and gold. I have one more palette which was gifted to me by my sister. It's James Charles palette, and these colors are also again so, this is like a go-to palette. ये एक palette ले रहा हो तुमको और कोई चीज़ की ज़रूरत नहीं है, कुछ चीज़ की ज़रूरत नहीं है, इसमें सब colors है. This light pink one here. Question is, how do you manage everything by yourself since you guys have shifted? So, bro, I cannot manage everything alone. To be honest, I can't. But Hiren is helping me a lot in everything. In terms of cooking also, he helps me. In terms of cleaning also, he helps me. And of course, it's हम दोनों का घर, तो हम दोनों को उसको बहुत अच्छे से रखना पड़ेगा, is what I feel. So we both take a lot of efforts to maintain this house. to keep this house clean, to get all the groceries. So we both do equal work. And like suppose he'll cut the vegetables and give me, तब तक मैं आटा गूंद दूंगी, सब्जी फ्राई कर दूंगी, मैं रायता बना दूंगी और सैलड बना दूंगी. And he'll do cutting of fruits and vegetables, two things. मतलब it really depends. We segregate our work so much. Or if I'm doing kitchen का work, he will go कपड़े सुखाने का काम he'll do, बिस्तर समेटने का काम he'll do, like all those basic things. So we really divide the work a lot, and he genuinely helps me a lot. And when we have to get groceries, we both go together. So yeah, that's how we manage our house. So the next question is, why are you not coming to Lonavala? Because I have some really important work. I really want to come Lonavala, but I will let you know on the call. Next question is, what helped you to stop trying to prove your worth to someone who didn't see it or chose to ignore it? बोलूं, सच बोलती हूँ. What helped to stop you was, see, I when I like somebody, I take so much efforts on that person. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा efforts ले लेती हूँ उस person पे, and बहुत ज़्यादा उनके लिए करने की कोशिश करती हूँ. And when you don't get that thing in return, suppose you love somebody like so much, okay, and that person loves you only itnu sa, okay, that person doesn't love you back so much. he or she taunts you, तुमको टॉन्ट मारेंगे, तुम्हारे बारे में बुरी बातें करेंगे. ये सब जब बातें होती है, या तुम्हें ही तुम्हारे ही सामने बहुत अलग तरीके से बिहेव करते हैं, you start hating that thing. And you don't need to prove anybody. I mean, with me so much have happened, and I used to just make sure if I'm staying with Hiren, I just have to show Hiren that this is what's happening with me. I don't prove him. Like at times I have to prove him because it's pata nahi, like I don't know. I mean, I stopped proving people at this stage after 1 year of 1 year 5 months of marriage. I have stopped proving people. I mean, if you want to believe me, you believe me. If you don't want to believe me, you do not believe me. Don't fucking irritate me. That's very simple. मतलब मैंने कुछ लोगों के लिए इतने एफर्ट्स ले लिए, उनको अच्छा लगाने के लिए मैंने इतना कुछ कर लिया, एंड रिटर्न में मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा उल्टी चीज़ें मिली है, मेरे साथ अच्छा बिहेवियर नहीं मिला एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड आई हैव पर्सनली गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ हर्ट. मतलब मुझे बहुत दुख हुआ उस चीज़ का. एंड हिरेन वॉज द पर्सन हु टोल्ड मी दैट हनी, स्टॉप कॉलिंग दैट पर्सन, स्टॉप टॉकिंग टू दैट पर्सन. उनसे बात करना बंद कर दो, उनसे just stop talking to that person and just stop thinking about that person. उनके बारे में सोचना बंद कर दो, उनसे बात करना बंद कर दो, एंड उनको अपने दिलो दिमाग से निकाल दो. Then it's just gonna be like, वो जो भी बोले, you're not gonna give a fuck. You know, you're not gonna give a fuck. I understand what you're trying to say. For example, like if I have a very close sister of mine, I'm very attached to her, I'm taking a lot of efforts for her, but in return I'm not getting anything. Stop there. Try 3-4 more times, still you're not getting, तुमको हर बार कुछ उल्टा ही मिल रहा है, then stop right there. Remove that person from your dilo dimag, and then it's just going to be like hi bye kind of relationship. Just either remove fully, पूरी तरीके से निकाल दो. पर अगर वो तुम्हारे बहुत क्लोज है, like they are your parents or your siblings, then just keep like a hi bye wala relationship, but remove them and stop proving everything to people. People are going to believe what they want to believe. तुम कुछ बोल रहे हो बट मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि नहीं, मुझे वो चीज़ बिलीव करनी है, तो आई वुड डेफिनेटली बिलीव दैट. तुमने झूठ बोला होगा और किसी को सच पता होगा, तो people will believe that only. And even if you're telling the truth and people don't want to believe, they're not going to believe. So stop doing that and stop chasing such people. Do not talk to such people जो तुम्हारा दिमाग खराब करे. I have one video, I'll post it here. check this out.
For example, like if you have 1 liter of milk and somebody have just a bowl of 100 grams of what 100 grams, तो अगर आप उसमें 1 लीटर दूध डाल दोगे तो वो उनके पूरे कपड़े पे गिर जाएगा एंड वो आपको ही चिल्ला देंगे कि अक्ल नहीं है, समझ में नहीं आता है, पूरा गिरा दिया हमारे ऊपर. तो यू शुड नो कि किसको कितना प्यार देना चाहिए और वो इंसान कितना प्यार आपसे ले सकता है. तो उस इंसान को सिर्फ उतना ही दो. डोंट गिव टू मच टू दैट पर्सन बिकॉज दैट पर्सन इज नॉट गोइंग टू अप्रिशिएट. उल्टा आपकी ही बुराई होगी, आपके बारे में ही उल्टी सीधी बातें होगी. सो इट्स बेटर दैट यू गिव दैट मच.
And stop taking efforts for people. Take efforts for yourself. Next question, which says, why don't you wear Mangal Sutra and Sindoor every day? It's my personal choice. I do not want to wear. I mean, there are so many jewelries out in the market. There are so many good, amazing jewelries. तो मैं सिर्फ हर बार मंगलसूत्र ही क्यों पहनूं? जस्ट बिकॉज मेरी शादी हो गई है मैं सिर्फ मंगलसूत्र पहनूंगी? नो, आई ऑलवेज हैव अ मंगलसूत्र रिंग इन माई फिंगर. दैट्स इट. आई डोंट वांट टू शो पीपल, आई डोंट वांट टू prove people anything. And of course when there is like a puja or if there is like a very traditional occasion, I do wear Mangalsutra and Sindoor, but on everyday basis I do not wear Mangalsutra. I don't even enjoy wearing it because I feel भाई इतनी दुनिया में इतनी खूबसूरत ज्वेलरीज है, इतनी खूबसूरत डिज़ाइंस है that you can wear it on your neck and your finger. So why do I just wear Mangalsutra every day? And it doesn't even look nice when you wear Mangalsutra in meetings or in office. It doesn't look nice. I don't like it. So it's a personal choice. I don't really enjoy it. Plus my Mangalsutra is super, super, super heavy. I'll put a picture here. This is my choice of Mangalsutra. In fact, I told my dad मुझे कुछ fancy Mangalsutra चाहिए. I'm not going to wear those typical Mangalsutra. And he was like, honey, check this design out. You're going to love it. This shows your personality and you would wear this Mangalsutra. And I'm like, yes. Next time. Okay, so the next question is, how do you show yourself that you are a powerful person? See, to other people. So most important thing is when you have to show this that you are a powerful person, you have to gain respect. तुमको तुम्हारे लिए खुद के लिए रिस्पेक्ट बनानी पड़ेगी. तो रिस्पेक्ट and how other people treat you are the two important things, and money, of course. Money is everything. Okay, money is everything. So money. Now if somebody is treating you really badly, fuck the shit out of them and tell them that you cannot treat me like this way. This is unacceptable. So that is one very, very, very important thing, that nobody can treat you wrongly. And if people treat you like really, really गलत तरीके से, तुम्हारा रिस्पेक्ट उधर ही दिख जाता है कि भाई इसको अपने लिए खुद के लिए कुछ है ही नहीं, तो हम इसको ऐसे ही ट्रीट करेंगे. सो कोई भी हो, who the ever person they are your friends, they are your parents, they are your in-laws, they are your siblings, they are any elderly person, you have to show them that it is not acceptable for me. ये attitude, ये respect मेरे को नहीं चलेगा, इस तरीके से मेरे से बात मत करना. Simple, very clear शब्दों में. So that shows what kind of they next time know that आपके साथ किस तरीके से बात करनी है. They have to talk to you very respectfully and not like disrespectfully. That we just tried. I think I'll use this finger. पता नहीं, I like to use a lot of makeup with my own finger only rather than brush, because ये चमकी ना brush पे आता नहीं है. Oh, go! This is so pigmented. Please don't make meme out of my funny faces. I like it. It's so pretty. 3 advice to all young girls out there. Okay, so 3 advice that I would like to give all the young girls out there is, number 1, very, very important, is study really hard and अपने पैरों पे खुद खड़े हो, अपना पैसा खुद कमाओ. Even if you feel that, oh, I'm going to marry the richest husband, of course marry a rich husband. I would tell that go marry a rich person and a rich husband. But फ्यूचर इज नॉट इन योर हैंड. कब क्या क्या हो जाए तुम्हारे साथ तुमको पता ही नहीं चलेगा. सो अर्निंग योर ओन मनी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. कि कल को समथिंग हैपन्स एंड यू नीड मनी, यू कैन मेक यूज ऑफ दैट मनी. फ्यूचर में कब क्या होए पता ही नहीं चलेगा. मे बी तुम्हारा डिवोर्स हो जाए एंड यू विल हैव टू लाइक, you don't have money, so you need money at that time. So if you're working, you have money. Secondly, again and again, why do you want to ask your husband, भाई मुझे पैसे दो, मुझे मैनिक्योर करवाना है, पैसे दो, मुझे ये करवाना है, पैसे दो, मुझे वो करवाना है. Bro, no, do not. Third thing is, in future, if suppose your husband को कोई financial issues आ गए, so you are there to support him. The most important thing is that you are going to be there to support him. It's my dream that, you know, at some point of my life, I really want to earn way too much than Hiren. Like if Hiren is earning something, मुझे उस Hiren से ज़्यादा कमाना है. Is me and that kind of a person I am. And I would really want all the girls out there to study hard and make your own money. Very important. This is the first advice. The second advice, I wouldn't say that घूमो फिरो मत, enjoy मत करो, सब कुछ करो, because ये life वापस कभी नहीं आने वाली है. Okay, this life is not going to come again back to you. तो घूमो फिरो, पढ़ाई भी करो, घूमो फिरो. If you have boyfriends, of course, you can enjoy with those boyfriends as well. I'm using Swiss Beauty का पिंक काजल. सो ऑफकोर्स ये जो टाइम है ना, ये टाइम वापस आपके पास कभी नहीं आएगा. तो इन्जॉय करो, आई वुड से. द थर्ड एडवाइस दैट आई वुड गिव टू ऑल द यंग गर्ल्स इज save money. Whatever you're earning or whatever your parents are giving you right now, try to use little of it and try to save that money. Very important. Save that money, because भाई पैसे के अलावा कुछ नहीं काम आएगा तुम्हारे. मतलब हर चीज के लिए पैसा चाहिए. पीपल से ओ मनी इज नॉट गोना बाय एवरीथिंग. फक यू, शट अप. ओके, जस्ट टेल देम यू शट अप. आई डोंट वांट योर एडवाइस. मनी इज गोना बाय यू एवरीथिंग. मनी इज गोना बाय यू लव. जिस बेटे के पास ज्यादा पैसा होगा ना, या जिस बेटी के पास ज्यादा पैसा होगा ना, माँ बाप को प्यार भी उससे ही होगा. भाई इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल थिंग. जिसके पास ज्यादा पैसा उसको ज्यादा प्यार. दिस इज द रियलिटी ऑफ लाइफ. आई एम टेलिंग यू, आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड इट, आई हैव सीन इट पर्सनली. तुम्हारे पास पैसा होगा तो तुम्हें इज्जत मिलेगी, तुम्हें प्यार भी मिलेगा उतना. सो ब्रो, money is everything. Money is going to buy you clothes. Money is going to buy you Chanel, Gucci, Louis Vuitton. Money is going to buy you everything, every delicious food that you eat. Everything only money will buy you. So save money. भाई पैसा ही सब कुछ है, पैसा ही प्यार है. भाड़ में गया. तुम मुझे बोलोगे कि भाई तुमको कोई प्यार नहीं करता, तुम पैसा चुनोगे कि प्यार. भाई मैं पैसा चुनूंगी. आई विल बाय माई सेल्फ अ Lamborghini. आई विल roam in that. I will wear like a Gucci. I will wear I don't like Gucci though. I'll wear Louis Vuitton. I will roam. I'm going to eat delicious food. Fuck, I don't want love. I need this. Okay, so I think these are the 3 advices that I would give all the young girls out there. Is first that study hard, do your own work, maybe do your own business and make your own money. Even if you marry a rich guy, you have to earn your own money. Second thing, roam, enjoy, घूमो फिरो. ये टाइम वापस नहीं आएगा. Me and Hiren, we be like shit यार, पिछले साल अपने को ये कर लेना चाहिए था, यहाँ पे घूमने जाना चाहिए था, ये करना चाहिए था. किसी की बात नहीं सुननी चाहिए थी. जो मना कर रहे हैं उनको करने दो, अपन दोनों को जाना चाहिए था. सो वी didn't do that. And now when we have time घूमने फिरने का, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज के आगे हम कुछ भी नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. ओके, मतलब इतनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के आगे कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है. सो ये टाइम वापस नहीं आएगा. घूमो फिरो. एंड थर्ड थिंग, सेव मनी एंड दैट्स इट. These are the 3 advices I would give all the young people out there. But oh, can you see the difference? It's looking pretty. Can you see the difference? Because I can, and it's looking pretty. I think I'm liking the pink kajal wala side more. Bro, inside Swiss Beauty, you have done a fabulous job, yeah. And this is so pigmented. Bro, this is looking so good. I love it. It's looking damn pretty, yeah. Nice. I love it. So let's continue with our makeup. I am using the Swiss Beauty ka this color kajal. I don't know which color is this. It's called turquoise. Turquoise. I'll just do this properly. I think I'll, but you can see the difference, right? It's looking so pretty, are you guys? Isn't it? It's looking pretty. Bro, Inside Beauty को अपन ने कभी ज़्यादा attention नहीं दिया. We went running towards expensive brands. But bro, ये सस्ते brands भी बहुत अच्छा काम करते हैं भाई. I started loving Inside Beauty and Swiss Beauty makeup. They're really good. They're really pigmented. Really pigmented. Let me go check in the mirror whether it's proper. So I've done it and it is looking so pretty. I think I'm loving it. They have to rocked it to next level. The next thing that I'm using is Inside Beauty ka Strawberry Summer. This is the shade. This is my favorite. This is so good, so good. I'm using this since a very long time now. And it is such an amazing blush. I'm not even kidding you guys. It's super amazing blush. It's really, really good. The best way you can use this blush is with your hands. Liking it, loving it. In fact, I'm loving it. I love this blush. This is such an amazing blush. So good. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. I love you. Any chance for new husband? No, of course not. Definitely, I know where this question is coming from because lately me and Hiren were not in the best terms because of some family issue. We thought to, just end this marriage. So I know why this question is coming, boy. But for sure, if I don't know what the future is, I definitely don't know the future is. But if I am not with Hiren, definitely I am not having a new husband. Rather, I see myself in a nice new country, beachside, living, earning for myself, eating good, enjoying myself alone is what kind of a person I would see. But definitely not a new husband. I'm just one man kind of a person. You love me, that's amazing. Thank you so much. But there is no chance of new husband. No. Let's do Nykaa Nips. How have you guys been, yaar? बहुत टाइम से कभी बात नहीं हुई. You can follow me on Instagram and we can definitely chit chat on Instagram. I am a very fun person. This is really nice shade on. This is Nykaa Lip Don't Lie in the shade Chocolate Boy. Next question. And I'm gonna do like a Rennie lipstick. And very little, I think. So pretty. I love it. Question is, should guys have girls wali friend and should girls have guys wali friends? Basically vice versa. Yes, definitely. I feel there is no harm in that. So, one thing I want to share. I had lots of guys wale friends. I was always having like a guy wala gang only, and most of the time I'm having guys friends only. And जब लड़के लोग आपको बताते हैं अरे यार मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड ने ऐसा किया, वो ये है, उसको समझता नहीं है, my girlfriend don't understand this or that. When they say their story, and I'm like, okay, I don't have to be this with my boyfriend. And even now when I'm married, uh, when guys tell me क्या यार मेरी बीवी ने ऐसा किया, ये हुआ वो हुआ, I know that, oh fuck, I don't have to be this kind of wife for my husband. I don't have to do this thing. Even guys want to feel special. अगर उसको ऐसे ऐसे लग रहा है तो मुझे हिरेन के लिए ऐसे ऐसे करना चाहिए. I should do हिरेन के लिए more special things, or maybe like, you know, when you get to hear their story, you definitely want to do special things for your man, okay? And again vice versa. Agar suppose Hiren has, I tell this to Hiren so many times that why don't you have girl wali friends, bro? They will teach you so many things, and that's very very important. Like suppose if हिरेन को somebody is telling that अरे ऐसा ऐसा फील होता है जब लड़के लोग ऐसा करते हैं या ऐसा करते हैं तो ऐसा ऐसा लगता है, why don't these guys understand and all that, of course he will understand that thing and he will apply that on me because he really loves me. So oh, he will apply that on me, okay? You know what, लड़कियों को ये टाइम पे स्पेशल फील कराना चाहिए, लड़की लोग को ये करना चाहिए, गर्ल्स लोग को ऐसा करना चाहिए बिकॉज उसको ऐसा लग रहा है, उसको मतलब अगर उसकी कोई फ्रेंड है सपोज XYZ, सो द XYZ सेड दैट उसको ऐसे ऐसे लगता है और लड़कियों को ऐसे ऐसे फील होता है, तो ही वुड डेफिनेटली अप्लाई दैट ऑन मी. सो आई फॉर श्योर फील दैट एवरी गर्ल शुड हैव नाइस, नॉट दैट चिप्पड़ वाले लड़के वाले फ्रेंड्स नहीं होने चाहिए जो तुमको फ्रेंड्स के नाम पे तुमको इधर उधर टच करे, तुमको किस करे, तुम्हारे साथ सेक्स करना चाहे. नॉट दोज काइंड ऑफ फ्रेंड्स, बट लाइक जेन्युइनली अमेजिंग फ्रेंड्स who would guide you and be with you, and vice versa. Even guys should have. And if suppose if a girl feels that ये बहुत cheap गिरी कर रहा है तो निकाल दो उसको अपने दोस्त मतलब इसमें से. एंड वाइस वर्सा, इवन गाइज अगेन यू शुड हैव लाइक अमेजिंग गर्ल वाली फ्रेंड्स एंड हु डजंट डू एनी चिप्पड़गिरी विथ यू बिकॉज यू नो योर लिमिट्स. सो दे आर गोना टीच यू थिंग्स दैट यू कैन अप्लाई on your partner and which would really help you in your relationship. So I definitely feel that every guy should have their independent life. Until and unless तुमको बच्चा नहीं हो रहा है, यू कैन बी लाइक भाई घूमो फिरो, तुमको जो करना है करो टाइप्स. अपनी चाबी लेके जाओ, घर पे आ जाना, सो जाना चुपचाप. It should not affect you. Of course, when there is a kid in the family, then of course you need to ask your partner, you know, shall I go, shall I not go, if you're comfortable or not. But by that time I be like, Hiren तेको जहाँ घूमना है घूमो, तुमको अकेले. He be like, I want to go alone for like 3 days with my friends. I'm like, okay, go, bye, enjoy. And yeah, I mean, you cannot control your partner in all these things. तुमको जहाँ घूमना है घूमो, तुमको जो करना है करो लाइफ में. I would be like, this is the time, enjoy your life. And same thing, he never stops me for anything. He's like, go wherever you want to go, eat whatever you want to eat, until and unless it's good and healthy. And yeah, I feel every guy should have girl wali friends and every girl should have guy wali friends. That's how they are going to guide you guys, and unki advices will help in the couples as well. So I definitely feel yes. Makeup, and very important thing is highlighter.
चमकी चमकी, मुझे चमकी चमकी लगाना पसंद है. चमकी चमकी, चमकी चमकी.
So last question, let's end this video. And the last question is, how are you? Just wanted to check on you. Thank you so much to check on me that how am I. To be honest, I'm out of things and I'm really happy because अब मैं किसी का बुरा नहीं लगाती हूँ. जिसको जो बोलना है करो, जिसको जो करना है करो. मैं एकदम वैसी औरत बन गई हूँ. एंड इट्स टफ यार, इट्स टफ. मतलब तुम किसी के लिए इतना कुछ करते हो और वो तुम्हारे लिए तुम पे बिल्कुल भी जान नहीं डालता है, तो इट्स पेनफुल. टू मच अटैचमेंट विद पीपल विच हर्टेड मी सो मच. And I understood that I shouldn't get attached to people. Even Hiren told me that stop getting attached to people so much. Stop taking so much efforts for people. stop talking to them, stop doing things for them, and अपने दिलो दिमाग से उस इंसान को निकाल दो, बस हाई बाय तक रखो and then remove that person so that you won't get affected. And of course I've done that and I'm really happy now, and thank you Hiren for this advice. So yeah guys, this is my final look. This is how my kajal, my liner, my mascara, oh my mascara is left guys, my mascara is left.
This makes your mascara ka game changing point. So I'll put this in and I'll press 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. And look at this. Can you see my hair here and not here? So yeah, that's the difference.
And whoa, I like it. Now I can see my hair.